friends, welcome back. This is tutorial second, and in this tutorial I'll be talking about if statement and how to read and write the file. So let's begin. Just type print what is the weather today, question mark, just close it. And if you want the user input, you can write $temp equal to stdin in capital, close it, semicolon. Now you can start the if statement. Here I forgot to close the double quotation. Yes, now you can start if $temp is less than 25. Okay, sorry, you can write if $temp less than 25, you can start the statement print it is less than 25, close it, semicolon, close the if statement. Again open the another if statement, $temp greater than 25, open the braces, print it is greater than 25. Semicolon, enter, and close the if statement. Again open it and type $temp. Suppose if the temperature is equal to 25, then this condition it is for this equal to 25, just close the bracket, open it. Here again I forgot to mention the double quotation, print, yeah, it is equal to room temperature. Close the bracket. Also close the statement. Here you can write /n. Now you can save it and check it. There is an error. Let's see what is the error. Yes, we add semicolon in statement, and we already know in statement no semicolon will work, so we should remove it. Now let's save it again and run the script. Yeah, it's working. So type 23, which is less than 25. It is showing it is less than 25. Again run it. 27. It is greater than 25. Yes, it is right. Now what if it is equal to 25? Type 25. Yeah, it is showing it is equal to room temperature. Now yeah, our statement, our if statement is working perfectly. Yes, so let's move on to the another example. In this example I'll be talking about how to read the file and how to write the file. So I already make a file, that is test.txt, you can see here, and I already wrote something here. This is our first file. So let's start. For this you have to write file name which you made, that is test.txt, semicolon, open the file, open the bracket, $fh, double quotation. This is a symbol to read the file, so you have to write every time whenever you want to read the file. So here the name of file, that is dollar file name, and enter. Now while dollar, any name you can give, dollar $fh. Yeah, so this is the dollar file name. What is the file you are, this is the file test.txt, so it will automatically read by this dollar file name, and this dollar file name you are reading by this symbol. You are reading this file, and whatever you are reading, it is stored in this dollar $fh, and in dollar $fh whatever you are reading, it is storing in dollar $row. So we have to print dollar $row only. So open the bracket, print dollar $row or dollar $row comma, for new line you can write this, just close the bracket, semicolon, and just close the statement also. And you have to also write this statement, close dollar $fh, to close the file. Now you have to save it. Now run the script. This is our first file. Now you are able to read the file. So yeah, this is working. So now let's write on the file. Take dollar file name equal to test.txt. You can take any file name now. I am modifying the previous file name, that's why I am taking test.txt. Now open that file, dollar $fh, double quotation. For writing file you have to add this symbol, double diamond bracket, just close it, and the name of file name, just close the bracket, semicolon, print dollar $fh, anything. This is, or just change the line, this is our second file, just close it. Also close the file, close dollar $fh. Okay, so just save it, run the script. You are not able to see anything here. For this you have to go to that file only, that is test.txt. Now you can see this is the statement which we wrote previously. This is our first file, and this is our second file which we wrote now only. This is our second file. So yes, we are now able to write anything on file.